By now, you have learned how to create messages. But what if you would like to edit a previously made message or reuse an old one in a new location? That is easily done via accessing your content library. Once you open the inline editor, you can click on the library tab, and here you can access your messages, support articles, as well as previously created monitors in one place. Simply search for the message title, and as you can see, you can access it easily here. You can click on the message to open that, and here you can edit it just as before. You can edit the title here, and you can edit the content of the message as well as the audience that it is targeted for. You can also select a specific date for your message to start appearing. This is helpful if you're reusing an old message for midterms last semester, for example, and you would like to make it reappear during the next 2 weeks. Once you're happy with the changes, you can easily save it and it will go in effect immediately. Another helpful use case for the content library is when you would like to reuse an old message but place it in a new location. So let's say we would like to move this Zoom message to another page. Let's go to your tools. So let's say you would like to have the hint message appearing on the Zoom meeting link here. The way it works is slightly different. You simply launch the inline editor. This time, instead of going to the content library, you open the build mode again. You select the context that you have in mind, and the sidebar for the inline editor opens again. Instead of creating a new message from scratch and adding the content, you simply scroll at the bottom of the page and you click on the Load Existing button. This takes you straight to the content library. If you search for the Zoom message again here, you can select that and click the Next button on the top of the dialog. And as you can see, the content appears instantly. Here you can edit it and make the same changes for the message size as well as the audience and the date that it is visible. And the important point is that you can choose to override the previous message placement, which means it will remove it from the side menu in this case and only have it appear within your tools page. Or you can select to not have it overwritten and place them on the both locations. So the old message will be kept and the new one will appear on this new location. So that is up to you depending on the use case. And once you save it, in this case, let's say we would like to create a new one, so we keep it. Once you save it, and we exit that inline editor and refresh the page, as you can see, the message is appearing on the new location as we have designed.